So suppose you've opened up Chrome and you're going to use Google to search for something. Let's say Hebron, Indiana. You'll notice that there's a lot of search options underneath the search box. The first tab that shows up is All, which is just going to show you all of the results it can gather about Hebron, Indiana, and maybe some other Hebrons as well. But you also have tabs for Maps, News, Images, and if you click on More, you can get to Videos, Books, Flights, and Finance. But what you and your students might be more interested in is the Tools tab. If you click on Tools, you can set the search range for any time, or within the last hour, or 24 hours, or within the last week, month, year, or a custom range. If you click on All Results, you can display the results that Google thinks contain information on Hebron, Indiana, or you can show only results that use your search phrase verbatim. In addition to this, Google also has numerous search operators that you can use to refine your search even more. For example, if you put your search term in quotes, it will look for exactly that phrase. You can use the OR operator, the AND operator. You can exclude terms, use a wildcard, and there's a handful of other operators that you can use to make Google search specifically for what you are looking for.